On Windows 10, you can free up space on your computer in many different ways. Although nowadays, laptops and desktops include drives with multiple terabytes of storage, we always find a way to fill them up with documents, pictures, videos, apps, and games, causing the system to feel sluggish, problems saving files, and many other issues. If your computer runs out of space, Windows 10 comes with tools if your computer runs low on space. In this section, we will review the 5 best hard drive cleaner software that is available for free. The top 5 hard drive cleaner software help reclaim space, improve performance, and resolve problems during updates. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more AI updates. Number 5 is Duplicate Cleaner. You'd be surprised just how many duplicate documents, photos, music, and other files build up on your computer. Duplicate Cleaner can find them and help you safely remove them, saving space and simplifying your life. Duplicate Cleaner's straightforward interface makes it a snap to start searching for duplicates. You can narrow your search by the type of file, sizes, dates, and more. You can specify which drives and folders to look in, and you even get an option to search inside zip archives. You're not on your own when selecting which duplicate files to remove. The Selection Assistant lets you select files by groups, dates, drives, folders, and more. You can select a favorite folder and remove files that duplicated elsewhere, or maybe select the smallest images or the lowest quality MP3. Power and flexibility is the key. Number 4 is Wise Disk Cleaner. Wise Disk Cleaner is a free disk cleanup tool designed to free up your hard disk space and optimize your computer's performance. It works by identifying temporary and junk files that occupy valuable disk space, removing various types, including system junk and log files, thus helping to free up disk space. Wise Disk Cleaner exhibits an easy-to-use interface with selectable cleaning options. You can select a partial scan or full analysis based on your requirements. It also supports customized cleaning rules to clean files and folders of the types you specify. Wise Disk Cleaner includes the ability to trim SSDs for increased efficiency and longevity. Furthermore, it comes with a built-in disk defragmenter to help reorder fragmented data on an HDD, which can improve system response time. Number 3 is Disktective. I prefer portable software in some situations, so I appreciate that Disktective takes up less than 1 megabyte of disk space and doesn't need to be installed. This would be great to carry with you on a flash drive. Each time it opens, you're asked what directory to scan. You can choose any folder on any hard drive that's plugged in, including removable ones, as well as the entire hard drives. The left panel of the program shows the folder and file sizes in a familiar File Explorer-like display, while the right side displays a pie chart for visualizing each folder's disk usage. Number 2 is Folder Size. This disk space analyzer is useful since File Explorer only provides the size of the files instead of the size of the folders. With folder size, you can see the size of each folder in a small window. In this window, you're able to sort the folders by size to see which ones use the most storage. The user interface is nothing like the other analyzers in this list. If you don't need charts, filters, and advanced features, and only want to sort folders by size, this program will do just fine. I wasn't able to get folder size to work in Windows 10, but you might have better luck. Number 1 is Disk Savvy. I list Disk Savvy as the number 1 option because it's user-friendly and full of useful features that have helped me free up disk space many times over the years. You can check internal and external hard drives, search through the results, delete files from within the program, and group files by extension to see which file types use the most storage. You can also look through a list of the top 100 biggest files or folders and export it to review later. There's a professional version available, too, but the freeware edition seems perfect. This video has provided an overview of the top 5 hard drive cleaner software tools for 2024. These tools have been evaluated based on their features, user-friendliness, and availability as free downloads. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel for more video like this.